Security warning. For official use only. All individuals handling this information are required to protect it from unauthorized disclosure. This information should be disseminated on a need-to-know basis via controlled media, CD, mobile hard drive, paper, etc. Do not transmit this material via any unsecured email network. This document is a product of Critical Solutions International. It is not for public use, but is intended for use by authorized personnel. This information is not to be released without written authorization from Critical Solutions International. Destroy this material when no longer needed.
At the conclusion of this class, you will be knowledgeable on how to safely and properly check and fill Husky 2G engine coolant. Warning: battery access cover weighs 29 pounds, 13 kilograms. Use caution when opening or closing, and do not place fingers or hands between openings or hinges. Components are hot after prolonged vehicle use. Allow system to cool down before performing maintenance procedures. Hot coolant is under pressure. Caution must be used when removing coolant filler cap or inspecting hot engine coolant leaks. Wear face shield or goggles and gloves when removing coolant filler cap or inspecting hot coolant leaks. Allow cooling system to cool down to reduce cooling system pressure in overflow reservoir. Refer to Husky 2G Operator Manual for additional information and procedures. Husky 2G lubrication order for fluid type and capacities. Step 1. With battery access cover open, locate engine coolant overflow reservoir. Step 2. Check coolant level. Coolant level must be at min fill line before operation of vehicle. Caution: loosen. Do not remove vented overflow cap. Failure to comply may cause damage to equipment. Step 3. Slowly turn vented cap counterclockwise to first notch to allow pressure to escape. Remove overflow cap once all pressure has escaped. Step 4. Fill engine coolant reservoir until coolant is level with min fill line. Tighten vented cap. Step 5. Start and idle engine for 1 minute. Step 6. Stop engine and recheck coolant level. Repeat steps as needed to bring coolant level to min fill line. Step 7. Replace overflow cap.
Refer to Husky 2G Operator Manual for additional information and procedures.